na-accept.
I said tonight I'm gonna diet only the bread, but now I see all the food. My tummy is reklamo.
Ay,
My tummy complain. Hey, eat.
Thank you, Sunday.
Yeah, you know.
Ay,
I
naku.
I cook on my thing. That's why it's easy and fast. I put oh god.
Ogo yun. While ago, she's laying down and do like this. Ngayon, it look like she is she's in the bed. She's in the bed now. She is in the table.
I can choose what I bring. The choco or the mais.
Ay, naku talaga. Sunset. Ah, sunset.
I am out.
Ay, naku talaga.
And that's true. My tummy gonna complain. Get up. You need to eat.
I am
What should I do? What should I do when your tummy gonna complain? Huh?
Nagulat talaga ako
You
nung
need,
nilabas mo yung may kanin ka na at corned beef. I am shocked when
before
she showed
I
the
think
rice.
what I eat, what I easy to cook. And my mind gonna run. Hey, cook it.
Thank you, Sunday. I was shocked when she showed the...
Welcome to the book. Sabi ni ni Sir Erico, welcome to the new world of food channel. That's why I telling the truth, Hugo. When I see you, you may saliva and my tummy, complaining. Hey, I'm hungry. What should I do? Go.
Tomorrow, 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 Hugo night time, I will buy avocado shake. Oh my goodness.
Oo, tapos may ano pa yun, may
Ganun.
parang tawag ice cream pa na topping, yung ang tawag nun, yung parang ginaganon. Yung
Yeah,
whip.
I will do like this. I will eat
Yung
very,
ang
very
sarap nun, avocado.
Johnny, welcome.
And I put a lot of green onions, you know that?
Bye, Angel, welcome. Ay, naku talaga.
Thank you, Nico. Guys, I need burger tomorrow. No exemption ha, you need to give that. Naku, napasubo kayo kay Nulin.
We need to go live little bit longer so we can buy burger tomorrow. Then,
I'm buying a burger before work
Guys,
today.
this is my last game.
Yay!
Sunshine.
up.
This is my last game.
Sige, sige.
I will
Oo.
go to... Hello! Ready here! Thank you, sir, for joining!
No. Another.
Yeah, I will go to...
I'm hungry.
tomorrow we
I'm
have
full
a
of you.
prison ministry boat tomorrow.
Who are you?
Angel, how are you, Paps? You have coffee?
Cold. Wow, yummy. Cold, 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 cold.
It's nice!
Another last
Good
game.
night,
My
everyone.
name, ay
Good night.
nako.
Carol,
What
another
ay
last
nako?
Ha?
Ah,
Another last game?
okay.
No, another last game. Oh my goodness, last game.
Tomorrow we have a prison ministry.
Oh, yeah.
Last game, guys. And I wanna sleep and I brush my teeth na.
Oh, go. You will.
Oh, go wait. When we wake up, ha? Ibay lang you sleep. I try to find you
Thank
tomorrow.
you,
my
Jobson.
God. The only one who has your picture on profile.
Pablo Sanchez, hello.
Welcome.
Praise Yogo. Sa UNTM, naalala ka makaya?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, no! Enough! Phoenix, the gift? I don't remember. I only remember tomorrow the chicken joy, the french fries, the burger. That's on my head. You know, I think you're gonna go wrong come here because this is a food channel, not fight dinner. Wow.
We will buy on
Hello. I'm boss.
number 1 customer.
May speed challenge with TikTok. Go guys! We're gonna pugbog Hugo. Last game, last game.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Mm. Oh, delicioso. Delicioso.
Sakit sa panga ha. Masakit sa Hugo. Masakit yung panga ko. But Sir Eric, don't forget my burger price tumuran. What is? What's your additional? Chicken joy. Complete the sentence. Ay, hindi. Complete the items. Ay, hindi rin. Complete the foodies. Guys, maybe you gonna no another channel. This is the foodie channels, ha? It's all about the food. Food trip. Now, if you wanna food, come here. Nagluto din to, di ba?
Yeah. Hugo didn't cook, but he have very big samosa. Oh my God.
Hindi order, no?
Samosa, oh my goodness.
Triangle, no? My God, laki na.
Very big. Ay, nako. Very big Hugo.
Kain panghigang mo yan, sis.
Good night.
Hi, Hugo.
Abo!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ikaw, si Sandra
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody.
Itatag ka niyan. Itatag tayo niyan. Hugo will tag us.
Tag mo, Hugo, tag-asa. Tomorrow, you give to tag. Ito sweet na mamaya. Oh! Babay na ka dyan.
Ay, naku, Hugo.
Good night, Hugo!
Pag last game ka pa sa matutulog ka na, sis Andreline?
Matulog na ako. Mamaya ano ba ipakita niya? Wala na akong ibubuga mamaya. Wala na akong lulutuin.
Si Hugo talaga yung mo, ay nako talaga, basta pagkain expert.
Babay na, Hugo! Babay! Babay! Naka!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Hugo. He's crying now. Bye-bye. She's crying now. Yeah. Bye-bye, Hugo. Enjoy. Yeah. Yeah, she was sleeping already. Then suddenly she showed the rice. I was so surprised with the rice and corned beef. Bye. See you tomorrow.